How to lock notes with Face ID or passcode in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and in your home screen tap hold on the Notes application, and in the menu that appears, tap on the Require Face ID option you see there. You will then see the option for Require Face ID. Tap on that and enter your Face ID for verification purpose. Once entered, every time you open the Notes app, you will be required to enter your Face ID. So this was about how you can lock Notes app with Face ID or passcode in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.